Hi everyone. In earlier video we have discussed pseudo classes and now we will discuss pseudo elements. So it allows us to target and apply styles to elements that do not exist directly in the HTML and they are defined with the double column. And some common pseudo elements are before, after, first line, first letter and selection. Okay. So before pseudo element, this one, what it does, it inserts content before an element. So let's discuss with the example. Okay. So here let's create a h1 tag. Okay. Let's say this is a paragraph with content before it. So now create a pseudo element in the style. Let's write h1 double column. Okay. And here before. Then we will write the content. Let's say not. Okay. Space. Yeah. And color we will give red. Say red. Okay. So we have added the content before it using pseudo element before. Okay. Let's go to the browser. So we have noted like note is added before the content. Okay. So before this statement, note is added. This one. We have added this content before this paragraph. Before this is a heading. So before this heading, we have added the content using the before pseudo element. Similarly, we can use after. End of heading. Okay. So let's go to browser. So we can see that end of heading is added after the heading element, h1 element. Okay. So it means after h1 element, we have added the content. Now we have first line. Okay. So let's go to HTML page. Let's create a paragraph and here we will write few lines. This is the shortcut. Like if you want, let's say 50 words, then write lorem 50, then enter. So we have got 50 words in a paragraph. And what we want to do, we want to change the color of first line. Okay. So here the first line color will change to red. Here we will write P. It means the first line of the paragraph color will be changed to red. Okay, so you have seen the first line color is changed. If you want to change the first letter color only, just go here. Okay, so you can see only the color of first letter, that is L, has changed to red. Okay, now if you want pseudo element as selection, so whatever we select now, only that color will be changed. So okay, you can see like I'm selecting this one, only the selection part will be changed the color. Okay, so these are the examples of pseudo elements.